Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 6th on a Thursday, and we are seeing a gap down in the market. You can see it over here trading on my daily chart at 439. Um, so it looks like we may want to fill this gap. Okay, so let's take a look at the high of this gap would be, I'm sorry, 438.11. So it looks like, and that's also the 10 period moving average. So keep an eye on that level if we continue down. You'd like to see it hold that if you want to remain bullish, at least the 20 period moving average. That's where we caught it last time. But let's take a look at some opportunity out there. This GENI is gapping up above this level here. You can see around the 640 is trading at 643 right now. I'm not sure of the news out there, but I don't care. I just want to watch the volume and see if it can hold that breakout level. All right, pins has been very strong lately over the last couple of months, and very nice bar yesterday, trying to sell off, filled the gap in the early morning and fought back. So maybe stick you alert around 26 on that pins. Look for a move higher. Once again, be careful. Old school McDonald has a nice little setup. Beautiful setup there, and this would be a nice cup and handle if it does break through, so maybe just set you an alert at 299. Let's see, next, NEXT, nice setup, big move, catching that 10 period moving average, see how it's holding it, so maybe just set you an alert at 850 there. And there's a few more out there, guys, you can find. If you have trade ideas, you can follow these ideas in real time. It's what I use for my swing trading. But anyway, have a great day. Keep it tight, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.